Hey guys, Merry Christmas. So today we didn't do much of making wigs. I rather did a lot of barbering, and then this was the end result. And guess what? My dad said I look like Lionel Richie. Oh, let's get down to business. So we made this Afro kinky wake up somewhere last year, and this is how it looks like presently. It's like all the curls are vanishing and it's now turning into a real kinky hair. So I decided to do what? Rebrand. It's rebranding time, baby. Running my fingers through the wig, I realized that the curls are like deeper beneath, and it's only the top that looks like kinky and rough. So we are going to take the top part off. After taking the coarse parts off, this is what we got, a brand new pretty kinky wig. For real though, we could have just ended here, but then I met this girl in a series. I was watching Tati Gabrielle and I loved her hair and I wanted to get the same thing. So I'm gonna continue barbering. I'm going to fade the sides of the wig. I'll just fade by cutting that part shorter until we reach Tati's hair. I would now sprinkle some water and conditioner onto the wig so that the curls will be pretty much defined. See how cool the wig looks now. Imagine we had done the straw curls from scratch, This is even an old wig, but still the curls are still defined. So imagine doing the straw curls from the beginning and getting your pattern right. It's going to look so perfect. Finally, here we are. I wish I could continue trimming because it was so fun. But then that will be all for today. Lionel Richie gang. Until next time. Bye bye. Mwah.